Wait, I get it. You think I'm gonna be friends with you, huh? Right? Sure. Really? How delightful. I accept. Let's all frolic in the fields of friendship. Not! How would I ever be friends with you? If you weren't my house guest, I'd beat you up right now. You're the enemy of everyone's hopes and dreams. I will never be your friend. Now get out of my house. Dang, what a shame. I thought I could be friends with you. But I guess I overestimated her. She's just not up to the challenge. Challenge? What? Papyrus? Wait a second. Darn it. Thinks I can't be friends with you. What a joke. I could make friends with a wimpy loser like you any day. I'll show him. Listen up, human. We're not just gonna be friends. We're gonna be besties. I'll make you like me so much, you won't be able to think of anyone else. It's the perfect revenge. Why don't you have a seat? One time, Alpheus, friend, came over here. All he did was lie seductively on the piano. Fed himself grapes. I don't really like that guy. I admire his lifestyle. What? I'm not gonna serenade you. You wanna see my room? Too bad. No nerds allowed. Well, maybe some nerds. I think there's a teacup in the shape of a fish. Humans suck, but their history kinda rules. Case in point, this giant sword. Historically, humans wielded swords up to 10 times their size. Right? No. You liar. I've read Alpheus' human history book collection. I know all about your giant swords. Your colossal, alien-fighting robots. Your supernatural princesses. Yeah, there's no way you're gonna fool me. I hate cold food. Alpheus fixed up my fridge so it heats up food instantly. Hot fridge. The world's greatest invention. This oven is some top-of-the-line MTT thing. But, you know, as much as technology advances, nothing beats home food home-cooked with fire magic. So nice to have you over. Why not take a seat at the table? Okay. Comfortable? I'll get you something to drink. All set. What would you like? Hey, don't get up! You're the guest. Sit down and enjoy yourself. Why not just point to what you want? You could use a spear. Pointed and dying. Are you hitting on me? Sugar. That sugar's for the tea. I'm not giving you a cup of sugar. What do I look like? The ice cream woman? The human ice cream women terrorized humanity with their energy spears? Are there ice cream songs to prelude to destruction? Is that it? Oh, that's what I thought. Oh, soda? Actually, even though you pointed to it, you don't look happy. Yeah, that's fine. I think soda's gross too. Rots your teeth. Rots your mind. Rots your fighting spirit. Huh? Why do I have it? That face. Oh, you want some hot chocolate? Wait. I just remembered. That container's empty. Stopped getting it because it was always a hassle. Asgore kept getting marshmallows stuck in his beard. Container's empty. I guess tea. Tea, huh? Coming right up. I'll take a moment for the water to boil. Okay, it's all done. Here we are. Careful, it's hot. Not that hot. Just drink it already. Take a sip of tea, it's burning. Other than that, it's pretty good. Pretty good, right? Nothing but the best for my absolutely precious friend. Hey, you know, kind of strange that you chose that tea. Golden flower tea. That's Asgore's favorite kind. Actually, now that I think about it, kind of remind me of them. They're both total weenies. Sort of. You know, I was a pretty hot-headed kid. Once, to prove I was the strongest, I tried to fight Asgore. Emphasis on tried. Couldn't land a single blow on him. Worse, the whole time, he refused to fight back. I was so humiliated. Afterwards, he apologized and said some goofy, "Excuse me, want to know how to beat me?" I said yes. From then on, he trained me. One day, during practice, I finally knocked him down. I felt bad. He was beaming. I'd never seen someone more proud to get their butt kicked. Anyway, long story short, he kept training me. I'm the head of the Royal Guard. I'm the one who gets to train dorks to fight. Like, Papyrus. But, to be honest, I don't know if I can ever let Papyrus into the Royal Guard. Don't tell him I said that. He's just, well, I mean, not that he's weak. Actually pretty frickin' tough. Just that, too innocent and nice. I mean, look, he was supposed to capture you, and he ended up being friends with you instead. I could never send him into battle. He got ripped into little smiling shreds. That's part of why I started teaching him how to cook, you know. So maybe he can do something else with his life. Oh, sorry. I was talking for so long. You're out of tea, aren't you? I'll get you some more. Wait a second. Iris, his cooking lesson. You're supposed to have that right now! If he's not here to have it, you'll have to have it for him! That's right. Nothing has brought Papyrus and I closer than cooking. Which means that if I give you his lesson, we'll become closer than you can ever imagine. Ha ha ha! Afraid? We're gonna be best friends! Let's start with the sauce. Envision these vegetables as your greatest enemy. Now, pound them to dust with your fists. What do you think? Strong or wimpy? Strong! You punch the vegetables at full force, knock over a tomato. Yeah! Yeah! Our hearts are united against these healthy ingredients. Now it's my turn. Yeah. We'll just scrape this into a bowl later. But for now... we have the noodles! Homemade noodles are the best. But I just buy store brand. They're the cheapest. Yeah. Just put them in the pot. I'm gonna fiercely put them in. You throw everything into the pot as hard as you can, including the box. Clanks against the empty bottom. Yeah! I'm into it! Alright. Yeah, pretty much. That's college eating. Alright, now it's time to serve pasta. As a general rule of thumb, the more you stir, the better it is. Ready? Let's do it. Tapping. Stir harder. Harder! Harder! Let me do it. That's the stuff. Alright, now for the final step. Turn up the heat. Let the stovetop symbolize your passion. Let your hopes and dreams turn into the burning fire. Ready? Don't hold anything back. Hotter. Hotter! Darn it! Hotter! Wait, that's two. It's like my sister's cooking. Man. Wonder Papyrus sucks at it. Cooking. So what's next? Scrapbooking? Friendship bracelets? Oh, who am I kidding? I really screwed this up, didn't I? I can't force you to like me. Some people just don't get along with each other. I understand if you feel that way about me. Can't be friends. That's okay. Because we're not friends. It means I can destroy you without regret. You defeated Houses in Shambles. I even failed to befriend you. That's it. I don't care if you're my guest anymore. One final rematch. All out on both sides. The only way I can regain my lost pride. Now come on, hit me with all you've got. Fake attack. Pretend to swing and undying with all your might. What? That's the best you can manage? Even attacking at full force? Just can't muster any intent to hurt me, huh? You know what? I don't actually want to hurt you either. At first, I hated your stupid saccharine butt. The way you hit me right now, I'm just someone I used to train with. I know you aren't just some wimpy loser. You're a wimpy loser with a big heart. Just like him. Listen, seems that you and Asgard are fated to fight. Knowing him, probably doesn't want to. Talk to him. Sure you can persuade him, let you go home. Eventually some mean human will fall down here, and I'll take their stone instead. That makes sense, right? Oh, if you do hurt Asgore, I'll take the human souls, cross the barrier, beat the hell out of you. Friends are for, right? Let's get the hell out of this flaming house. Well, that was fun. Have to hang out another time. But, somewhere else, I guess. Meantime, guess I'll go hang with Papyrus. If you need me, Up by Snowden, okay? Oh,